Hey, Pioneers!
Hello.
Hey guys.
Hi.
What's up, everybody? My name is Elizabeth Flores. I'm getting my associates in music here at IRSC, and welcome to the River.
My name is Lena. I'm a psychology major, and hopefully I see myself being a therapist one day.
My major is human services, and I want to be a social worker.
My name is Midley Duje. I'm a political science major.
My major is elementary education, and I would like to be a first grade teacher.
When I finish my degree here, I want to go on to get my bachelor's in human services.
I'm a returning student finishing my major in graphic design.
My name is Brielle. I'm undecided and I'm thinking about fire science.
I'd say my first semester was pretty chaotic. I really had to learn how to adjust to the in-person college life as well as adjust to the new campus that I'm on.
My first semester as an IRC student, I was scared. I won't lie about it.
I didn't know anybody. I was really stressed. I thought that I wouldn't fit in, but that wasn't the truth.
My first semester was kind of hectic. I was doing everything on my own, so I had to learn to reach out and speak out for help if I needed it.
My first college semester was also very hectic. I was really confused about what resources to use and what classes to take.
So one of my biggest challenges starting off in my first semester in college at IRC was the fact that I am a first generation college student. So a lot of things that I needed to figure out, I had to figure out on my own. But with the help of the resources that we have on campus here and the advisors, I was able to apply to my classes and do the things that I needed to do to ensure that I had a successful experience here.
So the second part of my semester was very hectic. I had so much on my plate, but I got through it.
So an obstacle that I had to overcome the first semester was my procrastination.
I'm a bit of a procrastinator, so I would say checklists are a major part of helping to stay focused and on track.
One really good time management strategy that I used was actually a calendar.
Outlook calendar. Oh my gosh, I love this thing.
I use my Google Calendar.
I have a planner and a calendar, but because I'm a horrible procrastinator, I adjust it so that any assignments or big projects are due like a couple days before they're actually due, so that it gives me enough time to actually sit down and procrastinate it and then do it and have time to finish it right.
I make sure to look over the syllabus, I make sure to look over the schedule of activities, and I jot down everything that's there into my Google Calendar.
Having a visual reminder also really helps.
But just know each week there is something important that's major for that week. Is it the homework on Sunday?
I would write down the assignment and the due dates, and once I've completed it, I would put a green check mark letting me know I've fully completed the assignment in that module.
I'm still not great at getting things done in a timely manner, but being able to memorize everything that I have to do by seeing it physically in front of me really helps me to make sure that I'm getting things done in the order that I'm supposed to be.
Those little things definitely help me out to stay on track and balance both my personal life and my school life.
A resource that I use for support normally would be the libraries.
Just studying for my classes was made easy thanks to the libraries. It really helped having a quiet space and those separate areas where I can just be in my zone and focus on what I have to do.
The resource that I use to help me for my classes is the one ASC lab that we have here on IRC campuses.
ASC Lab. I have used them religiously.
One resource that I've used is my teacher's office hours. They are there for you. Go to them. They know your name. By the time if you go often, they often know your name and they'll be able to help you.
So that's definitely something that I had to come around to, was being okay with saying, I don't understand what you're teaching us right now. Can you please help me here?
I 100% swear by finding some sort of application or website that can help you through school. So if it's math, I use Mathway. If I'm studying for history and I need flashcards, I use Quizlet.
I also just use YouTube. During the whole summer before I had started classes, I deep dove into YouTube and found I kept searching up study tips for this class or study tips for school or college.
It's Cornell Notes.
I swear by them. It keeps me looking at the most important dates and the most important information. And then if I need any more details, I can just go up in that page and find exactly what I'm looking for.
Well, my piece of advice would be to make your college experience worthwhile, both educationally and socially.
My piece of advice is to join clubs also.
And getting involved in student life.
You're not alone. Get involved and make friends.
Find at least 1 or 2 friends that you really connect with on campus because they're going to help you feel more excited to come to class. The Student Affairs Office is a great place where you can go to be able to get information on the latest clubs, the latest campus events.
Feel the fear and do it anyways. That has been my motivation for like the last 2 years, because no matter how nervous I get, I never regret taking an opportunity. And the worst thing that can honestly come out of that is someone says no, or you make a mistake, but you get the chance to learn from it.
One last thing.
One last thing.
Welcome to the river.
Welcome to the river.
You got this!